We've got another floor to do. We're going to put some egger board down, 22mm. Yeah, definitely needed doing. Isn't it? It's all gone on it. Oh, look at that. It's been patched. It's not that big, so there's not that many boards in it. Oh my god, look at that. I'm surprised it hasn't fell through. Oh, look at that. It's gone, completely gone. That'd have fell through, that, wouldn't it? If it had been left any longer. Right, anyway. Gripper rods to get up. Skirtings are going to have to come back on and off because we're changing from 18mm to 22 in the egger board. So we'll get this up first. Coming straight off so we can put these back on. I've had to take them off because this floor's 22 and this is 18. It's easier as well so we can get fully back. Right, it's got no joist down there, that's just floating, look. It isn't even connected to out. So I've had to do it and joist through to the other side, which was a real pain, and we're going to have to do it on every one. Just so it board don't flex on there. But it pulled my leg and all. Laid down trying to screw, I've had to screw because I can't get nail gun in. But I'm using some proper screws like so they shouldn't snap. Some forged screws. But yeah, right, let's get a board in. We're just putting the PU glue on now, and we'll glue them and then screw them to make sure we don't hit these. So screw in there and then we'll go middle and just make sure you don't fall through joists. Huh? Yeah, go on, you're alright, just stand up joists. Yeah. Is that pipe going through alright? Right, lay it down and we'll slide it. Just make sure that don't touch that pipe. Oh, a little bit that way. Yeah? Yeah, it's good. Yep, and it's on them that I've put on. Solid. Gonna get all the board in before we screw it so we can have it nice and straight. This is the hardest bit. Amazing. Getting under there. Nearly there now. Got plenty of glue in. Got them all glued. Put some more screws in because we haven't got them in the middle. But solid. Really good boards then. Don't know what we're going to do here. Might end up leaving this little piece in here because this is holding wall up. We'll see when we get there. Yeah, just get it all out. Yeah, you have to pick it out of there with it by your own thing. We're going to leave this in because wall's sat on it. So we're just going to go up to this. Right, as much as I wanted to leave that in, my brain wouldn't let me do it. So I've took it out, it's got wood under it, we'll go fully back. I didn't want to leave a crappy bit in where, you know, you could put a bloody wardrobe in it and go through the floor. So just took it out, so we'll finish it off at that. Oh yeah. Yeah. This is Fix-All. This is Fix-All, really good stuff this. I got it cheap as well because it's on the verge of going out of date, so still fine, like. Cheap. Still got the old Ryobi I've had about 10 years. Still works, but it does leave them a millimetre out, so I do have to tap them in, but I'm not buying another one until this one totally goes in. Trying to find what do you reckon board is, Josh? There. Maybe the trying to find studs. Bit of coke. Sponge. Well, that's it. Even put the carpet back down in this one. Right, I'll see you in the next one. If you liked it, give us a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. See you later.